Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a big head on Dress to Impress. So you'll need this beanie, color it your skin color, of course. I think this is the one I'm using, yep. And for the position, I'm going to position the y-axis at 0.39, the z-axis at 0.71, and the rotation at 0. The y-axis at, the y rotation at 0.44 and the z at, 0.54, scale it up to 1. Then you are going to need the star earmuffs, which is this one. And then I'm just going to color black. These are for the eyes. For the position, have it at 0.49. The y at 0.56, the z at 0.11. The rotation is x at 1, y at 0.49, z at 0.50, and you're going to want to scale it down a little bit to 0.15. Then for the mouth, I'm just going to get this mask. I'm just going to color it white in neon. And for this one, scale it to 0.47. Oh my gosh, it doesn't sometimes change. Okay, you know what? I'll just use these. For the position at 0.49, the y at 0.54. The z at 0.24. The rotation is at 0. The y is at 0.49 and the z is at 0.51. Then you're just going to add your hair and you're going to just make your hair super big. I'm trying to do Edna mode here, so I'm just going to use this bob. I'm just going to scale it like really big and I'm just going to position it a little as well here. I might have to rotate it a little. Oops, not that way. This way, and maybe let's add in some bangs. Let's not look at the, oh, I can't move that one. Okay. What about this? Okay, I can move this one. Why is that? I am going to move them a little bit backwards. Oh my gosh, let's not look at the back because the back ain't cute. I guess you can layer on more stuff to it. I don't know if I want to add like glasses to this look. I might try. Oops, I accidentally colored the glasses like like black here, sorry. Scale it up. Position it a little. And there we go. That is how you can create a big head on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.